New tonight in Grand Rapids, a man who fired several shots at Grand Rapids police has been identified as 43-year-old Anthony Wynn. The incident began at Joe Taylor Park and ended at Fuller and Wealthy when he drove head-on into the car of an innocent bystander.
24-hour News 8's Heather Walker has new video from that incident, and she's in studio control with this story all new at 6.
Well, Brian and Sue, GRPD says the gun turned out to be a BB gun, but officers didn't know that until after the man was in custody. Despite that, officers never fired a shot or used a taser to stop the man.
And they ran in with their gun.
This video was captured from a home across the street from Joe Taylor Park.
I think he got down.
Neighbor Escar Gillian's niece started recording when she heard the shots shortly after 7 Sunday morning.
Put your gun down, put your gun down.
GRPD says the incident began when 43-year-old Anthony Wynn walked up to an officer's cruiser with a gun.
Pointed a handgun at him and delivered several rounds, striking the vehicle.
The officer called out for backup and multiple units responded.
Oh no, he took off.
GRPD and witnesses say the man then got on a moped and took off.
At this point, throughout the incident, he had leveled his handgun and delivered rounds at 4 separate officers.
Police say Wynn then took off to Fuller and drove head-on to a stopped car at Wealthy.
We believe at this time, based on the individual statements requesting the officers shoot him, that this was an attempt at suicide by cop.
At that point, police determined the weapon was an airsoft gun.
At the time, the officers did not know that. No officers fired any rounds.
Neighbors hope police continue to use restraint when dealing with these situations.
But they did their job, and they chased him, okay? They didn't shoot the man, okay?
That GRPD spokesperson says officers are trained to make split-seconds decisions when to fire their weapons. The suspect is now facing 6 charges, including assaulting a police officer. We did put in a request for a copy of the body camera footage today. That was denied, but it may be available later this week. We'll keep you posted. Reporting live in studio control tonight, Heather Walker, 24-hour News 8.